Let us explore and learn more about multiples. I'm Anil Kumar, and here we have a very general question. It says the answer to a multiplication question is 120. So we are giving you the answer. The question is, what might the question be? Wow, that is interesting. So you know the answer, and that is product is equal to 120. When we say answer to a multiplication question is 120, that means when you multiply two numbers, you get 120. And now you need to figure out what might the question be. Well, that is interesting. There could be many answers to this question. Well, it could be simple multiplication problem. For example, what is 12 times 10 equal to? Well, 12 times 10 is 120, right? It's easy. So what we can do is, we know times 10 will give you 10. So 12 times 10 is what? The answer is 120. Now 12 is 4 and 3, right? So we can say, what is 4 times 3 times 10 equals to? Well, that will also give me 120. How about writing the question as 4 as 2 times 2? So 2 times 2 times 3 times 10 equals to what? That is also 120. We can combine 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and I can write what is 2 times 6 times 10, or even 60, equals to what? So likewise, we can just continue on this list and have so many questions which will say the answer of multiplication question is 120. Well, there could be other kinds of word problems. For example, let us say 1 dozen of eggs are there in a box. Let's say we have this box which has eggs in it, right? Okay, so what we are saying is this has eggs in it. So there are eggs in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 1 dozen eggs. Now, how many eggs will be in 10 boxes? So if we have 10 boxes, then how many eggs will there be in 10 boxes? That could be a question, right? So we know 1 dozen is 12. 10 boxes will be 12 times 10. And there we get our answer, which is 120, right? So that gives you a fairly good idea. Now, I'll request you to write down your own questions in the form of products. When you multiply 2 or 3 numbers, you should get 120. Or you could write down a word problem like I gave you. I hope you find it interesting. Thank you and all the best.